How to create a business account on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually create a business account on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to create a business account on Facebook, it is actually very simple, but for this you have to open your browser and then just go to business.facebook.com/overview. I repeat again, business.facebook.com/overview. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down below. So if I just cross this, I can just type in business.facebook.com/ and then type in overview, and after you do that you should be able to definitely land on this page. If you're confused, I'll make sure to drop a link below. After you land on this page, if you're not already logged in, it will ask you to log in. After you do that, it says let's get started with business tools from Meta. So here you can see it says create an account. So now tap on create account and make sure to simply enter your business name over here. Once you enter your business name, you can also choose to enter your business email as well as the name. Then tap on submit. After that, your business will get successfully created on Facebook. This way you'll be able to create a business account in Facebook. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.